Yes, it's true. Fat loss can only happen through diet. A proper diet. Okay? You might say, through workout won't it happen? Through workout, through extra activity, physical activity, you can speed up the process. You can speed up the fat burning process. But unless you have a proper diet, you will not even trigger the fat burning. You might be experiencing weight loss. Okay, there's a difference, please understand. Weight loss and fat loss. If you want to lose weight, please do lose fat. Why would you want to lose muscle or water? Why would you want to do that? Right? So I'm being clear and I'm going to confirm it to you that you can only lose fat through proper diet. Right? You may say that, okay, I've cut calories and stuff. Yes, everything boils into calories. But the question is, if you've been cutting calories on the wrong consumption, what's the point? Okay, you may be cutting calories. Yes, okay, you're deficit. Let's say people say that, okay, suppose your body requires 2,000, you're having 1,500. Yes, it's a 500 calorie drop on a daily basis. That's in a month, it's going to be 15,000 calories. It's close to about 2 kg that you would lose. Yes, but if you've not had the right proper food, I'm telling you, you're not going to burn the fat. You're just not going to trigger it. Right? What's the logic behind you trying to achieve? So you need to have a proper diet. You need to have a proper diet for it to trigger the fat to be used as fuel. Otherwise, what's going to happen is, suppose you had some kind of a consumption where the body chose that over the fat. If the body chooses what you consumed to use it as a burner for you to move, for your daily activity, for the body to function, then this is not going to be triggered. And believe me, with a proper diet, even if I'm telling you, let's say you were in the fat burning process, one wrong consumption will cut all this down, will bring it down to zero. You'll have to start all over again. You'll have to start all over again. So understand it. Now, I will probably give you a cheapest way that you can pick things from and find out if you are actually burning fat. Okay, there is something called you'll get this online wherever you are. You'll get this online. It's basically called keto strips. These are the cheapest ones I'm talking about. Okay, there are the ones which you need to prick your finger and all that. Those are expensive. We don't require. It's called keto strips. Keto strips has look for keto strips which has two objectives. One, it will show you glucose level. The other one, it will show the ketones. Ketones are basically fat. Okay, if you're burning fat, it will show you. You're going to use the strip, just go to the loo and pee on it and see. If you see any color change on the right on the darker strip, that means you're burning fat. Otherwise, you know what? You're burning something else. You're burning something else. Suppose on the left, let's say that we talk about it, it shows you the glucose thing. You're not burning fat. My friend, you're not burning fat. Okay? So, get this clear. So, I'm confirming it again. Fat burns only through proper diet. Just not any diet. Don't even listen to people who say they just keep cutting calories. Cutting calories, yes. Who you're listening to, God only knows about. You might lose weight, and that gives you happiness. All the best to you. All the best to you. Okay? And if you're looking for some kind of a workout to do at home for beginners and all that, I've got a lot of courses. I'll put it in the description. I'll probably put it in the I button and such. Go ahead and enjoy it. If you loved what content I made today, give me a thumbs up and share it with your people so that they also understand how it all works. Right? See you.